This is incredible. I never saw this in a live stream. Everything is moving, and the objects, the 4 objects here. Look. What the heck is this? It's blowing my mind. Guys, I'm really telling the truth. It's blowing my mind. The objects are moving, not the sky. The objects are moving, but we can see the telescope is tracking. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. No specs. No specs on the camera. No specs on the camera. This is something in the sky. This is something in the sky. My camera and my filters, everything, they are super clean. These are stars that are moving, and the telescope is tracking these 4 objects. Now they are moving left. Look, now they are moving left. But the alignment still the same. I will record this just in case, guys. Just in case. Who knows? Usually I ignore them. It's only a trace that we have on the... And the ones that usually come to these live streams know very well that usually the satellites leave a trail in the live stack, like an horizontal or a bit diagonal, but they don't go in this direction. This is going down. It's weird. To me, it's weird. Can be new satellites. Can be new satellites, but I'm usually outside watching the sky. I track some satellites with naked eye, and they don't do that. Satellites on geosynchronous orbit. UAP, UFO. Might not be satellites. Yeah, we don't know. Unexplainable. Hot cold pixels. No. No. This is moving. Come on, Geisler. This is moving. These are not hot pixels. Look, hot pixels. If I remove that feature, I think I have it connected. No, it's with arcs. Hot pixel. We have no hot pixels right now. This is white. Look. No hot pixels. I know how to distinguish that. And I'm here with a 4K monitor. Now, look. Now it's tracking the sky. Look, the stars are all dots. Pinpoint. And it's the opposite. Now the objects are moving. With elongated, of course, because they are moving. You see that there are no hot pixels. If they were hot pixels, they were static as the stars. No. And I have to move the telescope to track them. No way. These are 4 objects, flying objects. These are 4 flying objects. Are they trying to communicate? I will look outside. Actually, I will try to see if with naked eye I can see them. I will go quickly outside. They are over the moon. They are above the moon, look. I will see now. Let me just recenter. They are getting faster now. I don't know why. I didn't expect this tonight. I saw the moon and Saturn over the moon, but I couldn't see because of the brightness of the moon. And I was anxious. They are like here. In Pegasus. Like here. This is amazing, guys. What a small budget telescope are providing us. I couldn't expect at all this tonight. What a weird supermoon event. They are hiding. They know it's supermoon and it's bright. And as it's super bright, they know that they can hide. This is hot pixel. Look. Look, guys. This is a hot pixel here. Can you see it? This is a not pixel, it doesn't move. It's on the sensor, but the objects move. You see, the object now it's moving. Now we have the hour of the records, everything. They are not comets. They are not asteroids. Well, either ways, if it's something, we have already a good footage of it.